Here are the new grips I've got for my mountain bike. They're cheap ones from Decathlon. They have exactly zero information on the packaging about what they fit. Multi-language box, all it tells you is it's plastic and made in Taiwan, and they're the Sport Grip 900 product. Open up and have a look inside, and two bar grips. They have a cinch down on one end using a small Allen key and points to note on them. We have an L marked on one of them and an R marked on the other. There is also an arrow on the opposing sides. My assumption is when you have them set left and right, then the arrow matches where the horizontal needs to be. As for the diameter bar they fit, the hole in the inside here is a 21mm diameter. When it's opened, and it will cinch down a little bit on there as that tightens up. I don't know whether there's an option for removing these inserts or whether that's just how they're manufactured, but my bike's 21mm handles. Let's go and put them on. Step one, she'll be removing the existing handle, which isn't particularly easy. Never stuck on very well in the first place, and it's a bit rough, so I shall just give it a quick rub over just to make sure I can get the new one on easily. Remove those flaky bits of paint. Wipe it over with a clean rag, and this is the right hand side, so I've selected right, and now slide that on. Just leave a little gap to the shifter there, and set something that's about horizontal. That's going to feel good. And then tighten up the Allen key underneath. Number one installed. On to the second one. Here I shall just pull off the old one. Take that one off. I think I have to clean as much on this side, it didn't get as rusty. And when I park the bike, this side is against the house, the other side is slightly more exposed, so it gets wetter. There we are. It's come out much cleaner, and I'll show you that's the Allen key. That's how the Allen key does up. So we'll slide that on this side, set that to about horizontal. There's a very slight indent on the front leading edge of these bar grips, so we'll try it there for the time being. And there we are. New bar grips installed. Thanks for watching.